NETGEAR Nighthawk 6 Stream AX5400 Wi-Fi 6 Router, RAX50, AX5400 Tri-band wireless speed, up to 5.4 Gbps, 2000 SQ. Feet. Coverage. Click the link below for more info and special limited discount offer. Works with all internet providers. Replace your existing Wi-Fi router, separate modem or gateway required. Compatible with any internet service provider up to 2 Gbps including cable, satellite, fiber, DSL and more. Easy to set up and manage, connects to your existing cable modem and sets up and customizes in minutes with the Nighthawk app. Easily manage your Wi-Fi settings at the device and network level. Test your internet speed, view speed history and monitor data usage. USB connections, share a storage drive with any connected device and create a personal cloud storage to access from anywhere using the 2x 3.0 USB ports. Advanced cyber threat protection. NETGEAR Armor, powered by BitDefender, is network-wide antivirus, anti-malware, fraud phishing ransomware security on an unlimited number of devices and network data protection for $69.99 per year with a 30-day free trial. Smart parental controls, pause or schedule device internet access, view site history usage, filter websites, set online time limits and more for $4.99 a month with a 30-day free trial. Wired Ethernet ports, plug-in computers, game consoles, streaming players and other nearby wired devices with 4x1G and 1x2.5G Ethernet ports. Loaded with advanced technology, designed with a 1.8 GHz quad-core processor, OFMA, MU-MIMO, Dynamic COS, 1024 CAM, Smart Connect for one Wi-Fi name, beamforming technologies and Amazon Alexa voice control. Supports WPA2 WPA3 wireless security protocols. Includes guest Wi-Fi access, DOS, firewall, VPN and more. Wi-Fi 6, stream everything at epic speed, simultaneously stream uninterrupted movies, games, video calls or download transfer files at 10.8 Gbps Wi-Fi speed. Works with existing and new Wi-Fi 6 devices. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.